Hi there, I'm Annika Manning, and if you're watching this video, you may be considering joining my membership, BakeClub Co. To give you a little insight into the membership, and so you have a better idea of what you can expect, I thought I'd give you a behind the scenes look at the BakeClub Co website. So let's take a look inside. First up is the home page. This is where you'll land on each time you log in. On the left, this is the hub of BakeClub Co and means you can access all the different sections and resources quickly and easily. No matter if you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced baker, you'll find what you're looking for here. In the center, this is the newsfeed where you can catch up with all the latest posts and content. And on the right, there are upcoming events and then posts that are trending as well. So you can find them all at a glance and join the conversation. Next, let's look at where all our members ask questions and share their baking. The chat, questions, and recipe sharing section is where you can ask any baking question you have. Ask for advice, show us what you've been baking, share any baking related recommendations you may have, and generally just chat with other members. It's a great place to connect with other like-minded bakers and to get direct access to me for baking advice. And then there's the monthly theme chat and questions section. It's similar, but it's here that you can ask any questions and share your baking that is related to our monthly theme. Now that leads me to our exclusive monthly content section. And firstly, it's the monthly recipe and tips section. This is where you'll find the latest content related to any specific theme. The recipes are comprehensive, fully illustrated, and accompanied by printable PDFs. And the tips, well, they're bite-sized and useful when it comes to the monthly theme. Then there's the events section. This is where you'll find not only the upcoming events, but also all of the past ones. All of our online events are recorded, which means you can attend, or if you'd like to just rewatch, you can come back to the recording and all the related material in your own time. Currently, each month, we run two types of interactive live events. First, it's the Technique Tuesday, which, yes, is held on a Tuesday, and it focuses on a particular baking related technique and dives deep to give you all the tips and tricks to tackle it. And then there are the live Q&As, which give you the opportunity to ask any baking questions you have. From simple fixes to in-depth explanations, all questions are welcome. And if you don't have a question, you can just join us anyway for valuable insights and useful tips. Questions can be submitted ahead of time, or you can ask them during the event. All these events recordings are accompanied by timestamps for key points, the video, of course, images, and downloadable PDFs where relevant. Every month, we also offer an online course of the month to all of our members, either a free self-paced online course or a guided or live course that the members can enroll for half the price of any non-members. To make all previous content easy to find, we have a special section where all of this is listed and is directly linked. It includes recipes, information PDFs, videos, and all of the tips. Let's now move on to the other resources that members have access to. In the recipe library, you'll find a whole range of fabulous fail-safe recipes, all sorted into categories so you can find whatever you're looking for easily. All of the recipes also have a handy PDF, which you can print if you'd like to pop it into a kitchen folder. Or you can just bookmark them by clicking on this little tab here so you can access them easily next time you'd like to bake them. Now let's take a look at our baking basics and know-how section. This is one of my favorites. Here you'll find all the tips and tricks to support your baking. To start with, this is where you can access all of our past technique masterclass videos with added information and PDFs to give you the complete picture. Here you'll also find an archive of all our Q&A videos with a comprehensive index that has all of the questions that have ever been answered within the membership to date. In the Baking Basics and Know-How section, you'll also find loads of information sorted into sections such as baking equipment, baking ingredients, pastry, cakes and decorating, etc. These categories will not only make finding what you're looking for easy, but it'll also allow you to discover lots of other interesting tips and tricks. And finally, in addition to the library of recipes and techniques, there's also a section that holds a range of recipe ebooks for you to download and print if you wish, based on particular themes and filled with all our favourite recipes and tips. So there you have it, a quick look at what BakeClub Co has to offer. Within the membership, we have all types of home bakers, from absolute beginners to those with advanced skills and everyone in between. And if you would like to come and join us in the inner circle of BakeClub, we would love you to join us. Just sign up at bakeclubandco.com.au.